Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. So today we will be discussing about Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. It is used for making GUI and apps, etc. Like this is an example of GUI. You can download Python from my link from description and Pycharm also. Pycharm is an editor for Python. So we are first using variables like a is equal to 4. So a is a variable in which I will store 4. I can store string also, like this for now is string as usual. But if you want to store an int, only an integer like number, so you can use int. Oh sorry, so you will use an int like I will show you. I will making now in adding software, a little adding software. First we are using print. Print is used to print data, like I will print hello world. When I run, it will print hello world. So now I am making two variables, name a and b. A is equal to int. I will storing integers in this. In integer I will take input from user, like insert a first number. So it will take first number from user. Now I will copying this like this. For that now I will using here a plus b. A plus b is used to plus addition. We are use commands in Python like this hash sign. For plus you will use plus sign, for minus you will use minus sign, for multiply minus sign, for multiply you will use star, and for divide you will use divide sign. So I will adding these two numbers like I will using only number 55 plus I will plus 45, so it will be 100. Yeah, if I change the sign to divide, no, not to divide, I will use multiply like this. So if I will multiply 2 into 10, so it will be 20, and I will use many more like others. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.